Random facts about Virgo. The last one will shock you. You met Virgo for a reason. Either they are a blessing or a lesson. Virgo knows if they can trust you or not, just by looking at your eyes. Comment your birth date and find your Virgo twin. A Virgo is good at giving people a taste of their own medicine. Virgos get emotionally disappointed easily, so they choose not to feel anything. They build up this wall and become heartless. Virgos try harder than any sign to accept people for whom they are, and not judge people. Virgos usually surprise people with their anger. When they shop, they can be heartless and vicious. A Virgo is the type of person you can chill with and start telling them things you've never told anyone before. Virgos are not good liars. This is why they often don't speak, or they simply speak the truth. Only, Virgos have huge hearts and so much love to give, but not many people see that. A Virgos is probably the most loyal friend and partner you can ever have. Virgos are one of a kind because unlike some people, they never try to be someone they're not. When a Virgo really loves you, they really love hard, but once they stop giving a fuck, you'll never get that type of love back.